Textr eSIM tutorial. To utilize eSIM, you must verify two essential factors. Firstly, ensure that your iOS device is carrier unlocked, and secondly, confirm its compatibility with eSIM. To determine whether your iOS device can support eSIM, you have two free available methods for verification: Textr's eSIM compatibility checker and IMEI phone checker. Step 1. Check if my iOS device is carrier unlocked. Go to Settings, tap General and About, scroll to the bottom, find Carrier Lock or Network Provider Lock section. If No SIM Restrictions appears next to Carrier Lock, your iPhone is unlocked. You can't use eSIM if it displays the name of your provider. Mark down the model and IMEI number. You will need these to check your phone's compatibility. Step 2. Check eSIM compatibility. Method 1. eSIM-compatible phone checker. If you are accessing from a computer, visit esim.textr.com. Click Resources on the navigation bar. Go to eSIM-compatible phone checker. If you are accessing from a phone, tap on Settings on the bottom right, tap on Help Center, go to eSIM-compatible checker. Find the name of your phone in the list. It needs to be the full model name listed on your device. Method 2. IMEI phone checker. Your device is eSIM compatible if it contains an IMEI number. To ensure your device works with Textr eSIM, you can use our IMEI phone checker. If you are accessing from a computer, visit esim.textr.com. Click Resources on the navigation bar. Go to IMEI phone checker. If you are accessing with a phone, tap on Settings on bottom right. Tap on Help Center. Go to IMEI phone checker. You can also search for your iOS device in the list of eSIM-capable devices in Textr eSIM Help Center. The links of Textr's free IMEI phone checker and eSIM-compatible phone checker can be found in the description box below. After your phone has been successfully verified, you are now ready to acquire a data plan. Simply navigate to the Textr eSIM store to purchase your first data plan. Links to the iOS installation guide can be found in the description box below. If you still have any inquiries, please contact us at support@textr.com.